Hi friends, my name is Wafer Muhammad. Today I'm going to explore Dubai Miracle Garden.
Hi friends, my name is Priya.
I'm so excited.
My dog.
Oh wow, a horse.
How?
Oh wow, beautiful ducks. It's so beautiful.
I like it. Look.
This garden is special because all the shapes they make with fresh flowers. Wow, cat! Bia Jana, look, cat!
Me a cat. Wow. Look at meow.
Oh, butterfly! Bia Jana, come see there.
Come on. Wow. Turtle. Papa, turtle. Look.
I'm so happy here. Bia Jana, let's go up. Bia Jana, it's fun. Bia Jana, you like it?
Yes. Papa, I like it. Papa,
Now we're going more up. We will see what is there. Oh, there is ice cream shop. Bia Jana took pistachio. And I took blueberry.
Yummy.
Now I am going down. There is turning around princess.
This is small.
Oh, this is a real flower clock. So beautiful. Oh, teapot is there.
Teapot.
beautiful teddy. Teddy have heart. Mickey Mouse. Donald Duck. Donald Duck.
Donald Duck.
This princess I like too much.
Game princess. I like.
Everything is going round and round.
And having around.
All flowers were beautiful and fresh.
Look at this. Elephant.
Oh, elephants and water. Water is coming from their trunk. The water is going down to the colorful lights.
Look.
Oh, it's looking so beautiful in night. Emirates playing. This is my favorite part of the garden. So beautiful hearts, and it's too fun walking inside.
Wow. Meerkat. Mom, meerkat doing. Wow. Wow. I like it. I like it.
Today we did too much fun here. Diajana was so happy. every year from mid-November to mid-May. 72,000 square meter space full with colorful flowers. Every year they're bringing whole new concept and new design. I'm coming here almost every year and enjoying a lot. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye.